નમસ્કાર દર્શક મિત્રો, હું કૃપેશ નાયક આઈસીટી કો ફોર યુ ચેનલમાં આપ સર્વનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું. આઈસીટી કો ફોર યુ ચેનલ આપ સર્વને નિત્યની માહિતી પહોંચાડતી આવી છે. આજના આવા સમયમાં આપણે ઓનલાઈન ઘણી બધી માહિતી શેર કરતા રહ્યા છે. તો આજના આપણા સમયની અંદર આપણે ઘરે બેઠા બેઠા ધોરણ 12નું અંગ્રેજી માધ્યમની ચેપ્ટર 1ની માહિતી મેળવીએ. જે વિદ્યાર્થીઓએ ચેનલ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી છે તેમનો ખૂબ ખૂબ આભાર કે જેઓ ઘણી બધી માહિતી મેળવી રહ્યા છે, અને જેમણે સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ન કરી હોય તો આ ચેનલ સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરવા વિનંતી. હવે પછીની જે કંઈ પણ માહિતી આવશે તે આ ચેનલ થ્રુ જ આવશે. આઈસીટી કો ફોર યુ શિક્ષણ સાથે આપની સાથે જ છે. શિક્ષણમાં ટેકનોલોજીનો સમન્વય, સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 12, સબ્જેક્ટ ઇકોનોમિક્સ, ચેપ્ટર 1, ગ્રાફ્સ ઇન ઇકોનોમિક્સ. My app link can see in comment box, from which you can give online test within 3 days. All students, please keep in mind that after this viewing all the link, all slides, you have to give the exam on app, because this is only for information how you find out the answer of all MCQs. So let's start. Chapter number 1, Graphs in Economics. Introduction, meaning of diagram and graphs, importance of diagram and graphs in economics, aspect to be considered while drawing a diagram, types of diagram, time-based diagram, bar diagram, types of bar diagram, meaning and examples of the simple bar, cluster bar diagram, divided by diagram, aspect to be considered while drawing a bar diagram, pie diagram, aspect to be considered while drawing a pie diagram. Types of graph, time series graphs, use a technology in the study of the economy, that is computer, internet, CDs, etc. Here this is the textbooks image for you, and you have to deeply concentrate on each pages, because from these pages you can find out the 10 MCQ of this. So this is for you. What we have to going with this chapter, that is diagram, graphs. What is diagram, what is graph? The definition is here. You can easily read and you can easily understand, because it is not new for you. It is from standard 11 also. Now in second, you can see the frequency distribution in continuous frequency, and abstract distribution is also there. And importance of diagram and graph in economics. There are 5 points of that. What are the important points? You can easily study. It is very easy for you. You can read, you can study, and you can learn it very easy. There are 6 points for importance of diagram. Now aspect to be considered while drawing the diagram. When we are going to start the diagram, what we have to care? First, choice of types of diagram. There are various types of diagrams in there. And second, clarity. Picture must look neat and clean. Different colors of shades may be used. Denote the various components of the pictures. Scales and measurements is very important. Not so much big and so less. This is the scale and measurement is also important while we are going to draw the diagram. Representation of axes. What are in X and what are in Y? That is very important aspect. Data table and source of data from which you correct the data is very important. Method of calculating data. When the picture is not drawn from the self-expectancy data but drawn from the data simplified with statistical formula, it is appropriate state, and its statistical methods is very beautifully. Now next point is types of diagram. Very important. Here pictogram, scatter diagram, liner diagram, circle diagram, bar diagram, pie chart. In this section we shall understand about time-based line, bar diagram and pie chart. The rest of are not in our syllabus. Now this is a time-based line diagram. You can see the curve and table. Table shown in x-axis. You can see find out the year, and on y-axis there is a decades growth rates of population in percentage: 21.6.64, 24.80, 24.66, 23.87, 21.54 and 17.67 respectively. On y we can measure it. We can see the proper scaling is there. Minimum is 0 and maximum is 30, because the data we can find out in between the 0 and 30. And here which we mention on X, that is time period, that is 1951 to 2012, and source of census of India. So here third line is very important. The independent variable is measured on X and the dependent variable is on Y. Then bar diagram and types of bar diagram. Second, meaning and example of the simple bar diagram. A simple bar diagram represents the value of only one variable over a base, say various regions of years, etc. It's a visual effect of the difference in the value of the variable between the regions, years, and so on. Now we can see the bi-monthly scale chocolate boxes in a shop. That is the another simple bar diagram is there. You can easily draw this with the help of months on the X and the share of unit on the Y. This is simple bar diagram example. Now cluster bar diagram. Cluster bar, that is, in this type of diagram, value of the common variable and over the common base are given for more than one section of the related parameters. Hence we get a cluster bar of for the same variable of various base of values. For example, if the base is the time, the variable literacy level and its value are expressed for two categories, namely females and males, then for the one time period, two bars showing literacy level of the female and male respectively are drawn in a cluster. So here the one example, one table is there, 1.6 number of chocolates in the small scales, medium scale and large scale. The month is contains here January and February, but here for the three categories of the selling unit of chocolate we can find out in January and February, that is small, medium and large. In March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December respectively we can find out small, medium and large scale size of chocolates. So with the help of this we can see in next slide. This is the cluster bar. So there is January and February, March and April. The variable data is steady, but we can find out three bars for the small, medium and large scale. Now divided bar. In such diagram, every single value of the variable has subcategory. Hence we get division in all the bars which represent the common variable and the common base value. To create proper visual effect in help comparison, each division of the bar is colored differently and values which represent are included also. Now this is the example of this sector: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August up to December, and rural, urban and all India. So there are sales in units of chocolates in rural and urban area. In frequently month are there. So with the help of this we can draw the diagram like this. It is called divided bar. Here the division of the sales in rural and urban areas, 30%, 40%, 35 and 80, 40 and 70, these are respectively. We can divide our bar diagram in January, February to November, December bar. On always X and Y are denoted variable and unvariable data. Now very important aspect to be considered while drawing a bar diagram. There are 5 points there. You can easily read and you can easily identify what are the importance, what are the aspects to be considered while drawing a bar diagram. Now important one is pie diagram. Division of the circle in degree represent a pie diagram. If any entire circle is considered as a universal set of the entire data and the differently components of this data are representing by the dividing the circle in the degree of proportionals to the data, then its pie diagram is obtained. Pie diagram is drawn for the similar types of data for the which a bar diagram can be drawn. Very important, this underline is pie diagram is drawn for the similar type of data for which a bar diagram can be drawn. Here the example of this, since the entire circle represents a 360 degree, very important, these all are dividing 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90, that is 360 degree are division between these all. Then there are one formula is that degree equal to component value divided by total value into 360. With the help of this data we can see the diagram of the table. Items of books, stationery, phones, etc., foods, clothes are percentage in money spent, 25, 30, 30, and it is always in 100 manners. And in this calculation of the degree is very important, 72, that is comes from the above data and above formula. 20 into 360 by 100, that is called 72, and these all are equal to 360 degree. Here some scattered are also there. We can find out here the scattered are also there, 50%, 20%, 5%, 30%, 30%. So similarly 30% and 30%, that is funds and foods are consumed same and equal sharing of a total spent of money. Now aspect to be considered while drawing a pie diagram, there are 3 points are there. 360 degree are in circle, degree are subdivision, and if relevant data is to be compared across the regions of the time period, then it will be very easy for understanding. And for the data set with the smaller total value, a circle with smaller dimensions is drawn, and for the data set with larger total value. Now, types of graph. Use of the graph is also frequently made in economic statistical classifies as a graph. Basically, 3 points are there: time series, graphs for continuous frequency distribution, and logarithm. In graph for the continuous frequency, there are 4 subpointers: histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, and cumulative frequency polygon. Diagram and graph. Then storage tools, other tools, very important storage tools. Here some of the example for the storage tools you can find out: Dropbox, Google Drive, DigiLocker. These all are the storage tools. In recent past we can understand the floppy disk are there, CD also there. These all are the storage tools, but now in modern Google Drive and Dropbox and DigiLocker are also helpful for the storage permanently. There is no possibility to any risk of that. Other tools also, some of the statistical programs and statistical programs like SPSS, Shazam, eView, SAS. These all are the other tools for the statistical data, and also some software like GRTL, PSWP, etc. are the other tools. Now, questions in using the computer technology. Here internet technology are also there. What are the purpose, what are the manner? Here the 3 points are there: tutorials, active learning, reading materials. These are also helpful in internet technology. Purpose, second, information, masculinous, data, manner in which internet help. These are the very easy point for you. Questions in using internet for education. There are data, CDs, compact disc are there. CDs there are so many now. Data can easily find out with the help of some of the CD by the authority, like CD of the national income, CD of the census of India, CD of the annual survey of the industries in India, CD of the NSSO, that is National Sample Survey Organization, CD of the pertaining to many ministry. These all are now available. Some agency like CMI, very important, CMI stand for Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, also create data software which can purpose by only research institute and a corporation of that very expensive. Now so this chapter is ended here. Very quickly we are going on, but you can see this with pause and play and pause and play, and you can easily study and you can find out now some of the questions after that. First, a diagram which is drawn by representing subdivision of an entire data by proportionate degree in a circle is called. There are 4 options are there. This is very important for you because this test you have to complete on my app, that is online app. But first of all you have to consider these 10 questions, and you have to prepare yourself with the help of previous slides. Pause and play, you can find out this all answer from previous slides. So after that, after 3 days or 2 days, you have to go on my app and online exam, because there are time limit is there, 25 to 30 minutes are there. If you are not able to give answer, paper will be submitted. So first of all you have to prepare from this, then you can go on my app. My app ICT Eco for you, comment box, you can in the comment box you can easily find out the link. If you are not install it, there are 5 questions are also there. Second slide, 6 to 10 questions are there. So all of this you can pause and you can find out from the text or the PDF text that you can find in previous slide. Now you can see here there are 9 and 10 MCQ are there. So these are homework for you for the 3 days, and you have to submit it your answer on my app. So thank you all of you. Very important note are there. First of all, now in my app, that is ICT Eco for you, install and go to the profile and update standard 12 to standard 11. User ID and password remain same, and then in the test section select the subject and give online test. Link of my app can be seen in the comment box. Thank you all of you. After 7 days or 4 to 5 days we are meet on same platform with second chapter. Thank you once again. If those who are not subscribed this channel, subscribe it, and we can interact with this same platform. Thank you.